Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove text from video without blur in CapCut. First of all you have to do is open CapCut on your phone. Once you have opened CapCut, and you have to open your project. Once your project has been opened, all you have to do, and if you want to remove the text from your video, for example this is my video, all I want to do, I will take a screenshot of my video. Once I've took the screenshot, all I have to do is click on the edit button, and I will crop the screenshot from bottom, from right, left, and from top. Now I will click on save. I will skip the ad. Now what I will do, I will download another app which is called Snap Edit from Google Play Store, and I will click on open. Now what I will do, I will select remove objects. Now I will select my screenshot. This is my screenshot which is cropped. Now I will select the brush tool, and now I will brush out all of my text from my screenshot. Then I have to click on remove. As you can see, the text has been removed. I will also remove this text, and I will simply click on remove. As you can see, my text has been removed from my screenshot. I will click on done. Click on save. Now my image has been saved. Now what I will do, I will go back to CapCut. This time I will select overlay button. Add overlay. I will select my edited photo. Click on add. Now my photo has been added into my CapCut. Now what I will do, I will zoom in a little bit. Now I will move forward and select mask. There's the mask option. Click on mask. I will click on mask and I will select rectangular. I will increase the length of my mask, and I will add my mask over to the text. As you can see, the text has been now hidden. I will click on tick button. I will add another mask onto this text to hide that as well. And after that, I will just click on export, and that's how you can remove text from video without blur in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.